Converting a Word document to a PDF on an iPhone is a straightforward process. Locate your Word document in the Files app or the app where it's stored, like OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. Tap on the document to open it. Once the document is open, tap the Share icon at the bottom left. In the Share menu, scroll down and select Print. On the Print Preview screen, tap the Share icon again in the top right corner of the screen. This action converts the document to a PDF preview. Now, you can send the file directly to someone using any of the Messenger apps on your iPhone. You can also scroll down and choose Save to Files to save the PDF in your iPhone. You can change the file name and choose the location where you want to save. Tap Save to save the file. Go to the saved location to access the file or send it to someone. To share the file, touch and hold the file, then tap Share. Select any of the Messenger apps on your iPhone using which you want to share the file. To send the file by text or iMessage, tap Messages app. File is automatically attached to the message. Select or enter the contacts with whom you want to share the file and send the file. To send the file by mail, tap Mail app. File is automatically attached to the message. Enter the emails and send the file. To send the file by WhatsApp, tap WhatsApp app. Enter the contacts and send the file. To send the file by Teams, tap Teams app. Enter the contacts and send the file. You can also upload the file to a cloud drive and share the file. To upload to OneDrive, tap the OneDrive app, navigate to the folder where you want to save the file. Tap Upload here to upload the file to the specific location in OneDrive. To upload to Google Drive, tap the Google Drive app, navigate to the folder where you want to save the file. Tap Save here at the bottom right. Tap Upload at the top right to upload the file.